Nature has its own vampires, creatures that thrive on the blood of others. Take the vampire bat, for instance. With heat sensors, it zeroes in on blood vessels of livestock in Central and South America. Then there are leeches, which attach to their hosts and release anticoagulants to keep the blood flowing. Mosquitoes, especially females, are notorious for their blood-sucking ways, crucial for egg development, and they spread diseases too. Bedbugs sneak into our furniture, feeding on us at night. Ticks latch on and can transmit Lyme disease. The candiru, a parasitic catfish, is infamous for its blood-feeding habits in the Amazon. Fleas jump between hosts, while assassin bugs, or kissing bugs, can spread Chagas disease. And let's not forget lampreys, jawless fish that attach to other fish and suck their blood. These small creatures have chillingly effective survival strategies.